guys. So, today or this week we are working on procedural text. Procedural text, you guys just watched a YouTube video, I really hope you did, is like recipes or how-to videos or things like that. They give you instructions on how to do something, teach you about something, okay? So, today you guys are going to be writing your own recipe, okay? Something you know how to make. So I'm going to show you an example, and then I want you to do something. So I'm thinking a sandwich is pretty easy, and I'm going to go with one of my favorite sandwiches. It's just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So right here where it says purpose, what are you making? Well, I'm going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, okay? And I know this is a lot of writing, so I just want you to do your best. If you misspell something, that's okay. We're using our sounds and we're doing our best, okay? And then if you want, you can even just draw pictures. Miss Franco's not the best artist, but you know what? I try. So this is my picture of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I drew my picture and I told you guys what I'm making. Okay, and then right here, oops, you can't see it really well, but it says ingredients. What do you need to make it? Well, what do we need to make our sandwich? Well, let's see. First, we need bread, right? So we're gonna draw some bread. Okay, and I'm gonna write bread next to it. Bread. Okay, now, if your parents are watching, I'm gonna tell you I didn't spell it right. I didn't spell it right on purpose. I just used my sounds, okay? And then we're also gonna need some jelly, right? So I'm gonna draw me a jelly jar. And I'm going to write Jelly. Jelly. And then I also need, what else do we need for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Well, we need peanut butter, right? Okay, so I need to write peanut butter on here. So I'm going to draw me a jar of peanut butter. See if I can make it look like a jar, right? And I'm going to write PB on it. Oop, that's not P. Let's try that again. PB for peanut butter. Okay, and then I write butter. Okay, peanut butter and jelly. Okay, so that's our ingredients, right? Do I need anything else to make peanut butter and jelly? No. Okay, so I've got bread, jelly, peanut butter. Okay, so now what we're going to do is those are our ingredients. So what are we making? Our purpose, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Our ingredients, what do we need to make it? And then next is our instructions. What steps do we use? Okay, so first, we got to get the bread, right? Okay, so we're going to get the bread. Get bread. Okay, and I'm going to put a picture of a piece of bread. Okay. Okay, bread. 2, what's next? What do I do next? Oh, I'll put the jelly on it, right? All right, so let's get the bread, and then, you know what, I'm just gonna say, oh wait, you know what, change my mind. Put jelly on, okay? And then I've got my bread. And I'm gonna smear some jelly on it, right? Okay. No, I don't have different colors. I'm not getting fancy today, but you guys could. You could use different colors. But since I'm just using one marker, it is what it is, okay? All right, so we get the bread. We'll put the jelly on it. What's the next thing we should do? Oh, peanut butter, right? 3. You know what? I'm just gonna write, I'm gonna write peanut butter. Oh, I forgot a word. Peanut butter on. We're just gonna go easy, right? Okay? We're not here to be perfect. I just want you to get to the idea of putting steps in order, how you need to do it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to have this idea. Think you can do it? I think you can too. So, oh wait, I only have 1 piece of bread. Do you make a sandwich with 1 piece of bread? Well, some of you might, but I normally use 2 pieces of bread. So I need to go back to my ingredients and write bread, and I'm going to put 2, because I need 2 pieces. Because I need 1 for peanut butter. So I'm going to put another piece to show that I need 2 pieces. And on this one, it's gonna have peanut butter. Okay, I know, it looks the same. Jelly and peanut butter look the same because I didn't switch colors, but we're gonna pretend, okay? Can you use your imagination for me? All right, so now we got our bread. We put jelly on one piece, we put peanut butter on another piece. What do we do next? Oh, we gotta put them together, right? Okay, so we're gonna put it together. Put the M together. Together, okay? And so now I'm gonna draw a picture of my sandwich. My bread squished together, right? Miss Franco's not an artist, sorry guys. There we go. There's our sandwich, pushed together. And then, what's the last thing we do? Right? We gotta eat. Eat the sandwich. Okay? Maybe I'll draw a happy smile. With a tongue and some teeth. He's happy to eat a sandwich. So do you see how easy that was? We just had to think of something to make, which Miss Franco went with a sandwich because sandwiches are super easy, okay? And then we wrote what we needed to make it. So we needed 2 pieces of bread, we needed jelly, and we needed peanut butter, and then we wrote the steps to make it. So we had to get the bread, put the jelly on it, put the peanut butter on, put them together, smoosh, and then eat them, okay? And look how I put numbers next to each one of my steps. All right, guys, so I want to see what you can do. Now, it doesn't have to be a sandwich. It doesn't have to be peanut butter and jelly. Maybe you don't like peanut butter and jelly. Maybe you like meat sandwiches. Maybe you want to get fancy and make some pancakes instead. Whatever you want. But I want you to think about what do you need to make it and what steps do you need to make it, okay? So that's kind of why I went with the sandwich because that's pretty easy for us to figure out, right? Okay, guys, so good luck. I hope you have fun with it and I can't wait to see what you do. Bye.